4, 5, 6.
Sun comes up on the coastline. Watch your shadow dance on the red sky. Feel your hair run through my fingers. On your memory, how it lingers. And not a day goes by I don't need your smile. I don't feel your heart in every mile. Empty streets and whistling pines, but not a day goes by you don't crowd my mind.
Restart.
So broke you could see through me. Wouldn't know me if you knew me. Been 8 months since November, but you're all I can remember. And not a day goes by I don't need your smile. I don't feel your heart in every mile. Empty streets and whistling pines, but not a day goes by you don't crowd my mind. Where did you go? All I know is not a day goes by I don't need your smile. I don't feel your heart in every mile. Empty streets and whistling pines, but not a day goes by. Not a day goes by. Not a day goes by you don't crowd my mind.
This dance is Crowded Mind, choreographed by Shane McKeever and Nils Paulsen. It's a 48 count, 2-wall waltz. Section 1, starting with the left foot facing right diagonal, 130, a left twinkle, turning 3/8 left to face 9, cross, sweep left around to front over 2 counts. Section 2, weave, cross, side, behind, big step to right, sliding left together over 2 counts. Section 3, rolling behind to the left, making 1 1/8 turn left, quarter, half, 3/8. Step forward on right, hitch left, kick left, forward. Section 4, run back, left, right, left, point right behind over 2 counts, unwind a half turn right. Section 5, diamond, turning half left, forward, 1/8 turn left side, 1/8 turn left back, facing 1030, back, 1/8 turn left side, 1/8 turn left forward, facing 730. Section 6, square to 6, step left forward, point right to side hold, step right back, sweep left around to back over 2 counts. Section 7, left sailor step, behind side cross. Last section, left balance step, side rock back recover, big step to right, sliding left together over 2 counts, angling body to 730. Then you start over with the left twinkle with the 3/8 turn left and the cross sweep. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a restart on wall 3. Wall 3 starts facing 130. You dance 24 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the end of 24 counts on wall 3. We restart the dance facing 130 with the twinkle, turning left and the cross sweep. And that's the whole dance.